Hello, everyone. Again, it's Lwandile here, the leader and the instructor of Manikwe School. Today, we will be working on what exercise? I'm not even sure, to be honest. Okay, it's the 9th one. Okay, we've got to write a program that asks the user for an integer between 1 and 12 and for how many hours in the future they want to go. Okay, print out what the hour will be that many hours into the future. Oh, really? Print out what the hour will be that many hours into the future. Okay, an example. Luckily, it's given to us. Okay, if you enter 8, how many hours ahead? 5. So it's gonna be 1 o'clock, the new time. Okay, that makes even more sense. You see, people who happen to give programmers exercises, it's like they know. We learn better by examples. Again, because I don't know if it's me or what. I've noticed this even back when I was still doing my entry level. I mean, from my entry level up to the final year at university. I noticed that I'm better with example. I don't know, maybe it might be because I did a lot of mathematics. Anyways, let's jump on to the problem on hand. Okay, so number 1, I want to have a variable hold a number of hours. Enter hour. Once the goddamn hour has been entered, hours ahead. Now I want the number of hours ahead. I want the number of hours ahead. The number of hours. Okay, how many hours ahead? Probably should put a question mark there. Oops. Okay, once I've got those two variables, I need to compute my new hour, and it's gonna be as easy as saying my hour plus my hours ahead. I'm gonna have to mod that by what? By 13. How many hours are there? Oh, I'm gonna have to mod that by 12. Really? By modding by 12, it will mean 12 will be considered as 0 o'clock. I don't know. It is entirely up to us, you guys, whether we want to also consider 12 o'clock as part of our solution, or we want 0 o'clock to actually stand for 12 o'clock. Again, here's what I can do. I can simply mod by 12, or perhaps by 13. Let's try 13. That way we'll get numbers between 1 if we do this, we'll get numbers between 0 and 12, including 0. But if we do this, we'll get numbers between 0 and 11, right? Which is the exact thing we want. Again, it depends on how you're looking at it. Okay, so the next thing for me to do is to simply go new hour. I'll go new hour, and then I'll go up. You see, here's the tricky part, you guys. We need an escape character here. in order to what? In order to put that in order to put that right there. I forgot what it's called, but that's not the point. Or clock. That's what I want. Okay. Yeah. That is pretty much it. Let's try to hit the run button and see what we get, you guys. 1, 2. Oops, I misspelled my word. I misspelled no hour. Let's try 8. 7 hours ahead. So that's gonna be 3 o'clock. Let's count. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, which is gonna be 1, 2, 3. Okay. Yeah, it seems like we could. So that's gonna be it for the tutorial, you guys. Again, we can try the exact thing that we were given, which is 8 plus 5. We're getting 1. Again, you guys, I would totally understand if some of you guys out there making arguments that are supposed to mode this by 13 or perhaps by 11, by 12, just as I did here, and then add 1 so that we'll get numbers from 1 to what? From 1 to 12. That way our program will also include 12 as well. Just like this. This is what I mean. So let's try 12. Go plus 12. Really? That is wrong. Oh, it is right indeed. Because why will go 12? Will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nope, it's supposed to be. Nope. It seems like I'm wrong. Because this right here will give us numbers starting from 0 to 11. So by adding 1, we're gonna get numbers from 1 to 12. So if we go from 12 o'clock, let's count, you guys. From 12 o'clock, we're adding 12 hours. So it's gonna become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You know what? Let's leave it like this. It serves the purpose, right? Again, if you feel like I'm wrong, feel free to let me know, you guys. I am kind of puzzled, okay? But basically the idea here is if you want numbers between 0 and 12, you're gonna have to multiply 13, okay? But if we want numbers between, you know what, I feel like I'm explaining a lot. Feel free to let me know in case you've got any question. I'm wrapping up now, you guys. I'm gone. Cheers.